Go to your place.
कुर्सी की पेटी बांधे रखें। कैबिन में हवा का दबाव कम होने पर ऑक्सीजन मास्क आपकी कुर्सी के ऊपर लगे कागज से अपने आप नीचे आ जाए। आप inflate by pulling the red tabs or blowing into the inflation tubes. Inflate the life jacket just before leaving the main exit doors. If evacuating through an overwing exit, inflate the life jacket after leaving. Tampering with or removing the life jacket without crew authorization is prohibited and punishable. Use electronic devices only in flight mode. Switch off and store devices without flight mode, except electronic entertainment devices, which can be used after takeoff. Smoking, including e-cigarettes and consumption of personal alcohol, is prohibited. Non-compliance is a punishable offense. Smoke detectors in lavatories alert cabin crew immediately. Regulations strictly prohibit any unauthorized or unintentional use, tampering or damaging any safety equipment, emergency exits or aircraft systems. Tampering may cause regulatory action and delays as a result.